Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Vechain update. And guys, we actually met our technical target, and boom, right on the money. I've actually drawn this technical target previously. So if you guys actually are looking for an entry, I would rather much still suggest to wait a little bit. The market is the Bitcoin itself is not actually making a decision. We don't know if it wants to bottom out here, and it's unclear if it wants to continue to the upside. Anything is possible right now in this space. And there's this, yellow line that, in my opinion, VChain is looking to go to, and that will be 47.85 from 45 here, and touch this line potentially to continue to drop to this target. But this is not confirmed. Okay, the main technical target that I was giving, which was 0.03940, that has been met. And if you take the top to the bottom right there, this was where you were breaking out. Wow, you went actually down, and even way more down, to the 0.0394, and this was given some few days back if you've been following the channel. And right now seems like there's this resistance as well. I'm gonna drop this yellow line right there, and some sort of a resistance is occurring right now because you broke out of this area, and all you did is you broke out of it. It's like you're going back to retest, maybe get rejected, and then boom, see you later, go to the downside, and that's not a good sign about it. So that's how VChain at this point of time is playing out. But what I'm suggesting is that it potentially just goes to this line 47, and then from there breaks out, back tests. We're going to see the journey to the upside. Otherwise it can still continue to go down because we are in a downtrend. Remember that we never broke out of a downtrend. Yeah, the 15 minutes is green, but look at the higher time frame, we are still down. Okay, boom boom boom, thrust and reaction, and it has been down for a very long time. And who knows, we can start to bottom out pretty quickly, or anything can happen, man, in this crypto world, man. But the thing I always say in the channel is that wait for a confirmation. If you're looking for a confirmation, go to the charts, lay down all these drawings out there. They're gonna help you to understand when to enter, when to buy, whatever, because this is not gonna be a financial advice video. It's just educational and chart reading, nothing else. How much you want to invest, it's up to you. How much you want to sell, it's up to you. Do risk reward ratio accordingly, because I invest differently than you, so be careful on that one. And that's it for this update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.